Okay, my favorite food is pizza. Next question. I don't watch Demon Slayer, but I'm a big fan of Nezuko. If you watch any blah blah blah, I don't know what's that. What's your opinion on I love that. If your profile is that, guess normal like this. Do you know Japanese? No. Wait, no. Yes, I know a little bit. Konnichiwa. That's all I know because I remember to memorize the lyrics. What's your opinion on India? I'm near India. I don't even know how do I explain this. Great, I guess.